Hi everybody, Annie here. I had a few more ideas, and I saw a few more ideas on what I was doing in my last video with this jar of plastic gems that I think these things come from Michael's, or I'm thinking they come from Michael's. Could have been Hobby Lobby, but it was one or the other, and I've had them for years, and I was looking for ways to use them. And I've showed you how I was thinking about using them on the bracelets. And anyway, this is what I ended up. And these are glued on here, and they're dry. And got the, the lobster, not lobster claw, but the toggle. I put toggle clasp on each one of them. And I just used some, I don't know if it was fabric tack or I think it was fabric tack I used on these. And for the little diamantes, or little pieces of bling mesh, or whatever you want to call it, I used the art glitter glue, just on the inside to glue them down. So yeah. And then here, and these are so pliable, and they're so, I didn't say the other day, but they're very lightweight. So anything, the earrings, the bracelets, and this is a Suncatcher I ended up making out of them. And what I did was I just picked out things I had two of alike, and just run the, and I used, I think it was 20-pound fishing line, and just tied a knot and run the line down. And I used, once again, I used a fabric tack. I tried to hang this up, but the light didn't come in the window and show it as good as it just didn't look as pretty. You didn't see the colors. This time of day, I don't have a lot of light that comes in up top. So anyway, you can see the colors in it a lot better, but they're just the same on each side. And I just glued the, the fishing line right down the middle of each one of the little things, and then just fitted them on top. And this right here, I love these things because I got these on all my sun catchers, because you can unhook them and you can put them on anything, whatever it is you want, in your curtain rod, if you're hanging them outside, on your plant hangers, or if you've got wood that you want to put them on. It's really easy to take them, put them on and off, and hang them. I've got a whole bunch of them hanging in my room. Well, I did have a whole bunch. I've only got about 5 or 6 left, because I think everybody kind of come and got them over time period. But and they're made out of different beads and stuff. But I will show them to you. You can see them a lot better. Show you my messy, and they're all at least 12 inches long, maybe a little longer, and but at least you can see the sun there, and don't judge me with my messy craft room. But anyway, see, the light doesn't reach up as far, so you don't see them as good as you would. So anyway, I just wanted to and I have, what my point was, I have those rings on top of each one of these sun catchers, no matter what kind I've made. So anyway, I'll move you back down. There we go. And see, this one even, let's see if I can get the whole thing in. Yeah. This one here, even, I think it's like 10, see how long it is. I won't measure the loop. I'm just going to measure the Suncatcher itself. Yeah, it's over 11 inches, just the the gemstones or whatever you want to call these. I don't know what to call them, but anyway, it's over 11 inches. And these things right here, you can even you can make earrings out of them. You can you can make wine charms, of course, which that's something everybody's done. But you also can put like if you have those letters with people's names, or you know, the alphabet, you can make people's names and you can put them on your you know, your water bottles, your Stanley cups, all the cups everybody has, and put them on the handle, put your initials on them or whatever. Or you can make them where you can put a couple of these and put charms on them and hang them on your mirror in your car. They're really cute, so I'm thinking about doing some of those. But anyway, this right here is what I'm doing for right now, and I just wanted to show you. In the earrings, I had the smaller ones in there, and I just made, I took 2 of each kind, because I had a bunch of these purple ones and a lot of the green ones. Now the little leaves I had, and I was kind of disappointed, they didn't have holes in them. Everything else has holes in it, but the leaves did not have holes in it, so that was disappointing there, because I've got a lot of the leaves. And so anyway, these little earrings, these are green. I don't know if it's really showing up all that good. And of course, this is showing up good. And they're round, and they've got just, you know, ear wires, you know, fish hooks. So anyway, I just wanted to come back and you know, go a little bit further and show you a few more things I discovered and tried, and how what I did try turned out, you know. And like I said, you can wear these like special occasions. I mean, you know, can you imagine if you had a cobalt blue dress or something for a special occasion, how pretty that would be. That'd be so pretty, wouldn't it? And at Christmas, could have this red one. So yeah, and of course you could even make earrings out of these. I mean, they'd be bigger, but I didn't, because I got some teenagers that I know that come over, and I was kind of thinking about them when I made these earrings, because you know, they don't wear as big of earrings as an adult would, and they're on the low side of the teenage years, you know, like 13. So these are much more appropriate for them and stuff. So anyway, I just wanted to show you, if you have any of this stuff sitting around like this, they glue together beautifully. It was easy to make earrings out of them. All I needed was some ear wires and some jump rings, and that was it. As far as making the earrings, because I didn't add any extra beads or anything on them, because the little ear wires already had the little silver beads, so I didn't. But I mean, you could do whatever you want as far as that goes, whatever you've got to work with. So anyway, I was just showing you what else I had come up with. So I guess I need to clean my mess up. So anyway, thanks for stopping by, and leave me a comment. And if you guys come up with any ideas, show them to me, because I would love to see them. So anyway, speak to you guys soon. Bye.